This is our thought, right, sir?
And so also it won't, because usually Reiki is maybe not the best example, but in other stuff, I think energy is infinite, but your system has a limitation, however. So this would not overload you, because I had that kind of problem before. Like I felt like a current in my body, for several years. I could not function because I was completely. It was not when doing healing. It was, well, part of my past, but it was like hell. So now I'm more. I understood that there is a limitation from the system, the energy system, but I think here, because it's strengthened enough, so there is not that kind of problem. I mean, some people sometimes they are overloaded, so it's not they take negativity, but it's like they are like burnout.
Yes, sir.
It's also another problem which can. So here it does not.
This
There
is
is not something like that.
why, sir? Because what we think, what we are, right, sir? If we think that others negative will come, it may come, because energy we are attracting with our thoughts. So now I want to do many walks. Let me finish this work, right? So what it does, it fully charged, because in because energy is infinite. We all know, right, sir? So
Mhm.
they don't have limitations. They have abundant of energy of for health, for happiness, for wealth, for our relation. Everything what we need, nature has already given to us. Whatever we are getting, we are using, we are having in life, source is nature. Uh, that we know that energy cannot be destroyed, cannot be created, but it can be transformed. So we are transforming any energy and making us usable for us, right, sir? In many ways. But source is nature, isn't it? Congratulations, sir, for your master initiation. Uh, now you can again celebrate your birthday by blowing it off. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I felt, well, quite some like power, and I really enjoyed the mudra things. It felt, it's like magic, like basically opening portals in each. While we opening portals when it would do
Yes,
the
yes, sir.
mudras.
It is the same.
So yeah, and I could really feel that. So
Very nice, sir. Very nice. Very nice. And sir, were you feeling any kind of sensation in your body?
well, mostly some heat. But after, because also there was the fire, so I could feel the. But at the beginning, yeah, it felt like a bit like yesterday, like the fourth mantra, like very centering, balancing.
Yes, yes. Queries comes, you can contact me anytime. Maybe I could reply a little late, or we can arrange our mutual time. We come out on Zoom and just sharing.
Okay.
So no worry about the classes. It is lifetime. Whenever we require, we will do in our
Okay.
mutual timing, right, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you so much. So it was really
I would
nice.
like to just give us feedback, because it is first time uh, I have taught many international students, because Manish is also an international student. He is from Nepal, the country near about India, right, sir? Nepal, you know?
Yes, I know.
So he is from Nepal. So international students we have got, but
Not that far. Not from the
You are
west.
too far from. We call what you call it's Europe. Europe.
I'm in America. Well, France is in Europe, but I'm in Canada, so it's
Okay. In UK,
North America.
it is UK.
North. No, UK is in Europe too. It's England. Here it's Canada, so it's South. No, North America. North.
Not okay.
I'm
North
near
America.
the US actually. I'm the south, the north of the USA.
Okay. So, sir,